Hello guys, welcome to the first video of my channel. My name is Suzay Adamji and in this video I will be giving a brief introduction about Python. So let's get started. So in this video we will be looking at what is Python, why we should learn this language, what are its possible applications we can make using this language and how we're gonna set up it. So what is Python? According to Wikipedia, Python is an open source language created by Van Ronsom. He named it he named this language after watching a show called Monty Python Flying Car. Python is an interpreted high-level language. What is meant by that? Well, high level language means that these languages are very close to human and human can easily understand these languages. Python is an interpreted language. It means that it does not need to compile to run. A Python program can run on any computer. This means that programmer can change code and check the result. This language first release was in 1991. Why we should learn this language? Well, this language is very easy to learn. It has no syntax issue. It is a very good language for programmers. It has a wonderful community since it's an open source language. Writing program in Python take less time as compared to other languages like Java, C. What are possible applications we can make? Well, using Python we can create any application, whether it's a web application, a networking side application, a data visualization, a data science application, a data analytics, machine learning, etc. We can do wonders using this language. So, how we gonna set up it? Well, we will be downloading and installing this software, and there are other tools as well like Anaconda and Microsoft Visual Studio, but I will recommend if you are a beginner, install first this software, and when you have a good grab on this language, switch to other tools like Anaconda and Visual Studio. So I already download this setup, so I'll just run it. So it will take some time, like 3 to 4 minutes. So after this successful setup, close this tab, open Windows and type idle and open this tool. So hooray! Python is up and running on our computer or laptop. So let's write some hello world program in this language. Hello world. Let's welcome you all in this language. Welcome to Python. So in this video, we will get some basics of Python. In the later videos, we will deep dive into this language that is Python and we'll learn some other things about this language like functions, loops, and data types, error handling, etc. in this language. So I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with others. Thank you so much.